Hey, hey, hey. My name is Ernest Brown, and welcome to my channel. And today we are getting into this easy peasy lemon squeezy smoky eye look. Okay, okay. It's literally 3 steps, super easy, like just so good. Smoky eye has never been so easy. Okay, okay. So you already know what to do. Sit back, relax, and let's do some makeup, shall we? Okay, so I've gone in and I've already done this eye. So we're gonna get into this one. It's super easy. 3 steps, 3 steps. And the 3 steps are right here. I'm taking my Melt Cosmetics Liquid Base to Shadows in 3 colors. I'm using my Nudist, Double Shot, and Night Swim. So we're gonna start with Nudist. It's the first transition color. I'm just gonna take this and the shape I want. We're just gonna start there and blend. Okay, now that we've gotten that one out the way, I'm gonna take the double shot and I'm gonna line it up slightly below this, so right on my crease. I'm gonna use as much either, just not for this. A little goes a very long way, trust me. I'm gonna take this and blend this. I'm kind of gliding it a bit, tapping it to get the desired shape that I want, and then I'm dragging it down. I'm doing this because it is quick, it is simple, it's dramatic, but it'll look really good on my date tonight. So, okay, so I'm trying not to be too concerned with this part not being even because I'm gonna take the Q-tip and I'm gonna even it out. So, okay, now that that's done, I'm gonna add the final shade, black. And these are super pigmented, like I said, so give yourself space. And now I'm just gonna finish blending. I just wanted to, like I said, I just wanted something really simple but bold for date night. That's that's what I was going for. Simple yet bold. Okay. Okay, so now we can get into the base because this is pretty much done. Estee Lauder Double Wear Primer. My skin is doing horrendously right now. I'm assuming that my period is somewhat near because this is a hot mess. I am trying not to lose it. Okay, so for foundation, I doing foundation first. Sure. I don't know. The way my skin's got me feeling, I'm just all out of sorts. Why not do sorts? Okay, so let's start with foundation since we're being different today. Um, Nude. This It Cosmetics. No, no. I'm gonna take I'm gonna do my Estee Lauder Double Wear for those. Hardly too much for me. That would be those. Okay. I think because because my skin is not skinning the way I want to. I think I want to do my foundation first just so I can not have to see how terrible it looks. God, I'm simply not a fan at all. But we move. Okay, so I'm gonna take my Hourglass foundation brush, spray it with my Milani, make it last, and just get this out of the way. I am not super not feeling my skin. Not feeling it at all. I don't even know if you can see it on my chin. It's so, oh, it's not. The problem, honestly, is that I've been picking at it again, and that's don't pick your skin. Be better than me. Okay, so now that I've gotten that out the way, I'm gonna color correct under my eyes first. I'm gonna use my Born This Way concealer in shade Caramel first. Okay, and now we blend. Take my sponge. Actually super nervous. I was afraid that was gonna happen. And I'm gonna take my Milani Conceal and Perfect in shade Beige Pure Beige, sorry. Okay, gonna let that sit while I do my blush. For blush, I'm gonna take my Pixie On The Go. No, I'm not. I'm gonna take my Dion Cosmetics blush in shade Attraction. My e.l.f. bronze, putty bronzer brush. I'm gonna take my sponge. Let me make it last. And blend. Take my MAC Fix It Plus. Probably entirely too much, but that's fine. So for loose powder, I'm gonna use my Dion Cosmetics in shade 3. Okay, I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix in NW45. Use my Tarte blush in Blushing Bride. Now let's finish the eye just a little bit. Actually, no. I'm gonna do my lashes and stuff. So I've gone in, I've done my dots, I've done my top lashes, and now I'm gonna go and get busy with the bottom lash. Not planning on doing too much. I'm gonna take my NYX Epic Smoke and just honestly didn't even have plans on doing this at the bottom, but I looked at it and it just felt like it made sense. So here we are. Okay. So the bottom is a little smoky, a little tight, little okay. My current favorite mascara, you already know my Benefit, They're Real Magnet mascara. Okay, work. Now I'm gonna do my under eye dots real quick. Okay, dots done. It's just like I never fully feel complete without my little dots. They're perfect. Okay, now for the lip, I kind of want to go a little lighter than my normal, so I'm not gonna line it with black. I'm actually gonna take my Melt Cosmetics Perfectionist Lip in Jade Caffeine. Very light, still noticeable. Okay, so I'm gonna take my Sephora Me and Only Me matte lipstick. I'm gonna do a dot of concealer in it. It's a little, let's put something on top of this because I just don't like this. No, no, this is coming off. I'm losing it. I'm losing it. Okay. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, I'm gonna take my artist pencil and shade Dimensional Brown. Okay, so I've got that. I'm gonna take my MAC over the taupe. Okay, something about that is just like super natural, super flat. I'm feeling it. Okay, I'm gonna take a slightly lighter shade right on the little dot and pat my grass lipstick in Divine Rose. So I'm gonna take Morphe setting spray. Y'all. Like she's easy, she's simple, she's bold, she's sexy, she's smoky, she's perfection. So I hope you like it because obviously I'm obsessed. If you do like it, like, subscribe, comment, and if you don't, keep that to yourself. Okay? Okay. And I will see you guys in some days. Bye.